So in the last video, we introduced this idea of the division, where you divide your web page up into sections, so then you can apply particular styling to that section. So we did the footer. I think I've made a typo in the previous video. I had something like that for the font family down here. Calibri, it should be, I think. So get rid of that A. So now when we have, I'll just save that. And you'll see there it is down the bottom of the footer. So let's format up the top here, the navigation bar. So this is our top navigation. So in this section here, you might want to put footer down, just put it in between. Since footer is not one of our most important divisions, and we're going to create a new division called top navigation. TOPNAVIGATHIGATION. And again, I'll just tab that. Actually, I don't really need to do that. Let's go, oops. I'll fix up the tabbing later. So, top navigation. Go to your topic 3 page. Now, the navigation, if I show the original page, let's find it. Here's the original page. So the navigation is made up of essentially just this line of links, 4 links. So let's go find that in the HTML. It's these 4 tags here, these 4 A tags. So just before that, type in the word div, and again we're going to give it a unique name. We've already typed it into the style sheet. I wrote top navigation. And just make sure the div, closing div, is after the last part of the menu bar, or the navigation bar. And I just like to make it easy to read, I'll just indent that, hit the tab key, let's put a space in there. So there's our navigation. And what we're going to do now is do the actual styling of that. So let's go back to the style sheet. Now if you notice in my sample, if I bring that up, I've actually set this up, I'll just drag it out a bit, where the background is orange, the actual text color or the font color is dark green, and I've actually made also it's slightly larger than the regular text, which is 18 here. So I'm going to change this, and let's put that in. So we'll put background color, remember spell American spelling, COLOR, and I'm just going to type orange. You can try a different color if you want, feel free to experiment. And the font size, because I want my navigation bar to stand out, I'm going to make it slightly bigger. I'll just put 20 pixels. And next, what else do I say? I want the color of the text. Actually, the color of the text I think will already be dark green. I don't need to set that because I set it up in the body. That's about it. So let's save that. And let's have a look. Okay, did I save that? Top navigation. Something's not quite right. I'll just stop the video. So I don't think I've actually saved this. It says up, see a little dot up there, library save file to refresh. So I think that's why it didn't work. Here we go, it worked that time. So if I open up, hopefully now, there you go. It's got an orange background. So that's the start of getting my menu. Because I've clicked on these links previously, it's giving the A. After you visited a page, links by default have a purple colour. So I can fix that in a minute. I'll show you, and essentially that's my navigation bar done. Actually, I think I've got lines. I'll just put the lines in between. Those vertical bars. I'll just put the vertical bars in. Let's have a look at that. Yeah, okay, so you got those vertical bars. And you notice when you adjust the window, the background colour go all the way from the left side to the right side. So that's our styling for our navigation.